and looking to create your dream home? Look no further. We have everything covered for you. From affordable budgeting to quality builds, all within a speedy timeline. Designer homes, luxury homes, traditional, modern, you name it. Let us be your interior designers and contractors. We will deliver that home to you. Klaas is an award-winning multi-designer top firm in Malaysia. With more than 20 years of experience, we specialize in home and bungalow designs. Our designers and contractors are some of the best in our field. No one does home interior like Klaas. Having your own interior designers won't just ensure a quality design, but also a better management of budget and a shorter time of completion. Our company and interior designer will consult, strategize, create a workflow, advise, manage contractors, and deliver, all in a span as short of a month, start to finish. We are always present and there to ensure everything is completed perfectly in a time manner. Klaas only works with quality materials and experienced contractors. Our designs are led by our top-tier award-winning designers. Tell us about your dream house and we will plan and customize your home to your desire. Contact us right now. Our Klaasmen will listen to your ideas and goals and create the perfect dream house for you. With the Klaasmen designers, you won't just get quality designs, but also save money from a wasteful mistake of poor workmanship. You will also have